Hey everyone, and welcome to week 8 of Mythology class. This is your final project for the quarter. Yay! So, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be picking your own movie, myth, or book and applying the hero's journey circle to it. But before I dive into that, I do have an important announcement to make. Some of you might have already heard this, but my husband is being relocated to Austin, Texas, and so I will not be at Platte Valley next year. This is my final year there. So, unfortunately, this is goodbye for now, and hopefully, I will see you guys soon. I'm going to miss all of you a lot, so. Anywho, moving on to the hero's journey. So there's those 12 stages. You can pick any medium that you would like to describe the movie or book or myth of your choice. If you really like Greek mythology, you could go on back to Greek mythology and look at those if you want to. Totally up to you. Or if you would like to watch a movie, you can. Disney movies work extremely well for the hero's journey, and it's pretty easy to see all the stages in there. So if you want to do that, you can if you have that Disney Plus account. So, anywho, so what you're going to do is pick a movie, book, etc., etc. I do have an example Prezi here for you of the hero's journey, and this one's using the new Star Wars that just came out, so you can check that one out. And you have to have all 12 stages on there. I don't know why it's not letting me click on it. It's kind of obnoxious. Anywho, hopefully, let me copy and paste it really quick. Sorry, everyone who's watching. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. It opened. Just kidding. So you can use Prezi if you want to. It's kind of a fun little program. If you've never used it before, you do have to sign up for a free account. And then they talk about the different stages, ordinary world, and they go through and they have nice photos. You can put in video clips too, which is really cool on Prezi, and something that might be snazzy for your project there. But it's totally up to you. Then here's the assignment sheet for you and the rubric on how you will be graded. Here's another example. This one's on poster board, obviously. And if you want to do a paper one and take a picture and send it to me, you can. But here's this one. I don't know if you can see it. Oh. It is from Finding Dory. It might be kind of hard to see, but see, they have these cute little figures there, and they have all the stages of the hero's journey and the little bubbles. It's adorable. And it goes all the way around. I'll try to take a picture and post it for y'all, but you can do that one as well. Completely up to you. Just make sure that you are not using this as an excuse to watch that rated R movie you've been dying to watch, because I'm going to take your parents' side. I just want you to know that. So I'm not going to tell them yes for you. Okay. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Office hours are always Tuesday and Thursday from 6 to 7. And I hope to see you all there. Bye. Let me know what you need.